It's very important because so many diagnoses of cancer are not picked up in the standard cancer pathways. And now these patients have a place they can come to. They can be scanned, examined and reviewed all in one day in a one-stop service to get that early diagnosis to hopefully allow them to have better, earlier treatments. So the service is for patients where the GPs think that there's a suspicion of cancer, but there's no obvious pathway for that patient to go down. So they can send patients to us who have vague symptoms, suspicion of cancer, so they don't fit another pathway. So that might just be weight loss, tiredness, and the idea is that we can try and provide in a one-day service for the patients. They'll get a full CT scan, appropriate blood investigations and review by a physician, so that hopefully they can leave with either a diagnosis or have a treatment plan put in place on that day. The idea is that when you have those vague symptoms, we scan the whole body and do a battery of tests, as well as a detailed history and examination, so that we can get patients along the pathway quicker, hopefully towards treatments and towards catching these things early. So that there's just less waiting, there's less uncertainty, and then obviously they can be referred on to the right teams.